Welcome once again with another video. Today's video is how to create Premiere Pro rounded corner rectangle for video. At first, drag and drop video on timeline. Click right button on project section. Then click new item and then go to color matte. Click OK. Pick white color from color picker and then click OK. Again click OK. Now drag and drop color matte layer on timeline below of video. Now go to Effect tab, search Roughen Edge. Drag and drop Roughen Edge on the video. Now keep video scale 85. Now click on Roughen Edge. Under Roughen Edge, it's type cut. Border 500. Increase edge sharpness to 10 and fractal influence 0. Yes, done. Your video is now rounded rectangle mode. Thanks for watching the video.